What is up, guys? Today we're going to be having a look at how to split images into a seamless multi-post for Instagram. Let's do it. Okay, so this is really easy. Import your file that you want to crop into Photoshop, and as soon as you have that, then press C to open up the crop tool. Then make sure the slice tool is selected, which is the third choice here on the scale. Draw a box over the half of the image until you see a purple line pop up. Then go to File, Export and Save for Web, and make sure JPEG is selected and the quality is bumped up to a maximum. As soon as you've completed these steps, repeat the same thing for the other part of the image. Save them both and then they're ready to upload. Now I'm going to show you guys how it looks here on the phone. So I've opened up my experimental Instagram account, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine. You can swipe. You don't see any difference between the two posts. So you can kind of think that it's a panorama shot. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. This is literally all you need to know about the split, crop, whatever you want to call it, for Instagram. And like and subscribe if this video helped you out. You know what to do. Peace out.